Semantics, Chapter 9, Part 2, Semantic Roles. Because using semantic features turns out to be less successful than linguists had hoped, other methods have been developed. The next one we will look at is called semantic roles, which is examining the functions or roles words and phrases perform or fulfill in the situation described in a sentence. Here are two possible roles for noun phrases: agent, the entity that performs the action, and theme, the entity that is involved in or affected by the action. Look at the following sentences. The dog bit the boy was bitten by the dog. In both sentences, the noun dog is the agent and the noun boy is the theme, even though in sentence 1, dog is the grammatical subject and boy is the grammatical direct object, and in sentence 2, boy is the grammatical subject and dog is the grammatical object of the preposition by. It does not matter what grammatical function the nouns have. What matters is how the nouns are connected semantically to the verb. Agents can be non-human forces, although they can be harder to figure out. The wind blew the ball away. Agent, the wind, theme, the ball. The car ran over the ball. Agent, the car, theme, the ball. Agents can be animals. The dog caught the ball. Agent, the dog, theme, the ball. Likewise, themes can be human. The dog bit the boy. Agent, the dog, theme, the boy. Both agent and theme can be the same entity, but it must be repeated within the sentence. The boy kicked himself. Agent, the boy, theme, himself. There are additional semantic roles that nouns can play in sentences. Instrument, the entity used by the agent to perform an action. She wrote the letter with a feather pen. Agent, she, theme, letter, instrument, feather pen. There are certain verbs which do not take agents per se. They are state of being or linking verbs. When the subject of the verb is not performing an action, but is instead experiencing a state, it is called the experiencer. The experiencer, the entity that has a feeling, a perception, or a state. The ball is red. What is the agent? There is none, because the verb be is a state of being verb and no action is expressed. What is the theme? The noun ball, even though it is the grammatical subject of the sentence. Because there is no action verb, there can be no agent. The noun ball is the experiencer. Here's another example. He heard a noise. Experiencer, he. Theme, a noise. There is no agent. Other semantic roles designate other possibilities for noun phrases. Location, where an entity is. Source, where an entity moves from. Goal, where an entity moves to. Look at these sentences from page 128. Mary saw a fly on the wall. Mary is the experiencer, fly is the theme, on the wall is the location. She borrowed a magazine from George. She is the agent, a magazine is the theme, from George is the source. She squashed the bug with the magazine. She is the agent, the bug is the theme, with the magazine is the instrument. She handed the magazine back to George. She is the agent, the magazine is the theme, back to George is the goal. Gee, thanks, said George. George is the agent. One of the problems with this system is that, while it is relatively easy to identify semantic roles for nouns and pronouns, it really cannot be done with other parts of speech, making this system less complete than semanticists would like. Thanks for listening. Bye.